The stock market is one of the most important parts of our modern capitalist system. But did you know that it's actually not that complicated? In this video, we go over how the stock market really works, so that you can sound smart when people bring up the topic. It's me, and this is my channel. And just a reminder, if you want to learn how I make videos like these, check out the course in the description. All right, let's get into it. The entire stock market is based on supply and demand. Just like with anything else that's for sale. The price of a stock will fluctuate based on how many people want to buy it and how many people want to sell it. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, then the price will increase. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, then the price will decrease. It's really that simple. But you might be wondering, why do people buy and sell stocks in the first place? Well, when a company wants to raise money, they can do something called an IPO, or an initial public offering, where they basically sell a portion of the company to the public. This is usually done through a bank who will help the company set a price for the stock and then advertise it to potential investors. Once the IPO is over and the company has raised the money they need, the bank will take the money and give it to the company and then give the stocks to the people who bought them. Now, once the company is publicly traded, it will continue to have its stocks bought and sold on the stock market. And this is where things get interesting. Let's say you buy a stock in a company. You now own a tiny piece of that company, which means that you are a shareholder. As a shareholder, you have the right to vote on certain company decisions. But more importantly, you are entitled to a certain percentage of the company's profits. How much you get depends on what percentage of the company that you own. For example, let us say that you and 4 of your friends each buy 10% of a company that only ever makes $1 profit. In this case, you would each get 10% of $1 or 10 cents. Not very much, but it is still more than you would get if you did and own any stock in the company. Okay, great. So you own a stock, but you're only entitled to a portion of the company's profits. How does the stock market actually make money then? Well, it turns out that buying and selling stocks isn't the only way that people make money off of the stock market. In fact, most of the money made on the stock market comes from capital gains, which is simply the profit you make from buying low and selling high. So if you buy a stock for $5 and sell it for $10, you would make a $5 capital gain. Or to put it another way, you would have a $5 profit on your $1 investment. That's why people are so obsessed with buying low and selling high, because even if the company doesn't make a profit, you still can. All right, but all this talk about buying and selling and making profits has left us with one very important question. How do you actually buy and sell stocks? Well, in order to buy or sell stocks, you need someone to buy and sell them with. And this is where stock market exchanges come in. A stock market exchange is simply a platform that allows buyers and sellers to trade stocks. The 2 most popular stock markets in the world are the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. Both are located in New York City. And both are home to hundreds of thousands of publicly traded companies. So to recap, when you buy a stock, you are buying a tiny piece of a company in hopes that the company will become more valuable in the future and that you can sell your piece for a profit. And when you sell a stock, you are giving up your piece of the company in exchange for money. Now, obviously, there are a lot more rules and regulations that go along with buying and selling stocks. But that's the basic idea. And with that being said, we have successfully covered the basics of the stock market. If you want to learn more about economics, check out the links in the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching.